The residency program is this innovative weekend that we put on for students. Students come from all over the country and they come together in the classroom. Classrooms are filled with students, with faculty, and it's a classic classroom where they are going through a series of workshops that focus on real career skills. When students are invited to the pro weekends, they are on campus for maybe the first time, and many students are only on campus for a limited number of times. So we put a lot of effort into packaging the entire university experience into these weekends. So some of the priorities that we want to establish are, we want students connecting with each other to begin that professional networking that jumpstarts their careers, to practice skills that they'll be using in the workplace. The convenience for them that I think gets them to sign up is that they can attend these weekends just a few times a year. So the convenience for their working, they can maintain careers, they can have their lives wherever they want in the country and be here for a weekend, a powerful weekend. The leaders of tomorrow are in the classroom today. We used to always hear students who would fly into the Irvine campus saying, oh, I flew from Dallas, or I connected in Dallas. So we opened a campus in Dallas. We're bringing this amazing program to where they are.